Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. Well, I have a very small Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. I did post some pictures at the beginning of this video to show you all of the fun winter Christmas items that are arriving at Dollar Tree, at least at a couple of Dollar Trees that I went to. But this time around, I was on the lookout again for a couple things that I didn't end up finding. And I have to be honest, there still isn't a whole lot of new things that I have not seen. It almost seems like they're just, I don't know, just trying to sell what's already there. Aside from the fall and of course the winter stuff that's coming in, I've seen some things that we've had in previous years and then a few things that are newer. I did go to also find some more of these letters, which I was successful. That was one of the things that I was looking for. And I ended up finding the letters that I needed that I couldn't find the last time that I went to Dollar Tree. So I have noticed that about 3 of the Dollar Trees, they have stocked up on these letters again, which is great because they're a lot of fun to use for DIYs. I also found the only thing I ended up bringing home aside from that was just a few decor pieces. This here I seen the last time I went, but I didn't grab it, and I saw them again and I thought, well, I'm gonna grab a couple. So I think there were 3 different ones, these 2 and then another one that I did show in the pictures. And these are really cute. They have the jute twine where you can hang this from, and it is like a particle board on the back. Then they have this piece that was already coming off, but I didn't mind because I am going to be taking this off and just doing a little makeover on this. But I thought it was really cute. It has 3 metal hooks here where you can hang the tags. So the first tag has every month of the year, and then the other 2 hooks are for the numbers. So I thought that was really, really cute. I picked up this one that says "You Can Do It" with the hearts, and then the other one that I picked up says "Shine Bright." I ended up finding these decor pieces, which I was super excited about. Again, there's not a whole lot new at the couple Dollar Trees that I've been going to, but these I absolutely love. Especially for decorating those small spaces. I probably will be using this in my trailer, and these are the perfect size of decor pieces to place in smaller trailers. Even larger ones, also because they're lightweight and they look beautiful. So I was really, really happy to come across these. So the first one here, you can see on the back it is particle board, but on the front it almost seems like it seems like a faux wood. But if you've come across the wooden signs that Dollar Tree brought out this year that had the little cutout pumpkin, those were all wood, but this seems like that on the front. However, on the back, it's just the particle board. So the first one that I found, which I love this one that says "Home," is in the black and then the natural wood. And then where the O is, you can see there's this adorable little wreath. And then I picked up the whitewash, or perhaps well, it looks a little bit lighter than this. This seems more like the natural wood. This seems like it has but it could be natural wood. The opposite of this one anyway. So it has the black letters. I love the font of this and the way they look. The black trim, just adorable. And then of course the O here has the wreath as well to spell out love. So this I was really excited to find. And then I saw a couple other fall pieces that I hadn't seen before, and I really liked. These I really like as well because again, they're lightweight. You can put these on a tiered tray or on top of a mantle, anywhere really. They're just really super cute. And this one just has like a faux wood on the edges, but it says "Harvest Wishes." And of course with the red truck, which is adorable, the license plate says "Fall." There's some pumpkins, sunflowers, and an adorable wicker basket in the back. So cute. And then this one here has some leaves on it, and it says, I love fall most of all. And then again, the faux wood on the sides. This here I had never seen until I went to the Dollar Tree this last time around, and I really like these. It has like a faux burlap, darker on the outside and then lighter on the inside, but it has a darker edge here, so it almost looks like the darker burlap is above the lighter burlap, which is really cute. It says, live simply and be grateful. You hang this as well with the jute twine, but this side came out just like a shoelace kind of hanging thing, but it is the jute twine. So I thought this was super pretty with the pumpkins, sunflowers, little wheat grass, so pretty. And then the second one, same thing, but it says Hello Autumn, again with a large orange pumpkin and sunflowers, and I really like these ones here. So I was happy to come across these as well. And guys, that's it. Very simple, small Dollar Tree haul, but I thought I'd come on here, say hi to you all, wish you the best of days. I hope you're all doing great, and I hope to be back very soon. Again, I don't know if I will be doing a DIY. I really hope I get some fall ones out there, but people have already started doing winter and Christmas DIYs, so I don't know if I will, but I hope to at least try and get something done. I may share what I've been up to because it is a project that I've been really excited to be working on. It's not really in the DIY, but it is a little renovation project that I've been working on, so I may share that if I get around to filming while I am in there doing some makeovers. So now I probably have to share it, right? Because I've mentioned it and I'm keeping you in suspense. So I may just end up doing that. If I decide to do it, I will be doing it in the next week or so. So if I do, then I hope you'll enjoy just at least to see what I've been up to. And yeah, so that's about it. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It'll greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, well, I absolutely hope you do. Until the next video, guys, you take care of yourselves.